Introducing the 2025 Kia Sportage K3 MY25, a RefId door in sleek grey exterior. This MPV is fueled by a powerful 1.6L diesel engine with manual transmission for a smooth drive. Packed with comfort and safety features like cruise control, satellite navigation, lane departure warning, and multiple airbags. With a luxurious interior, including cup holders and luxury trim. Plus, innovative technologies like Bluetooth phone and voice control. Rest assured with security features such as collision avoidance braking and emergency call. This vehicle undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit Dooley Motors Carlow showroom today.